$245,728 earned by my affiliates. How did they do it? They did it in a no selling method that anyone can do it, even if you have zero experience, zero technical knowledge, no website, no hosting server, no mailing list, and no social following. You excited? Ready with this? Let's do this. On my screen, you can see $245,728 earned by my affiliates promoting a couple of my products. And they have made $129,896 in passive affiliate commissions, and rest of the money came to me. So how did this happen? They basically used a zero selling method that we always use and make money without selling. So in this video, I'm going to share a no selling method that anyone can use and make money in the process. And you can do it even if you're a complete beginner, you have zero experience, zero technical knowledge, you have no website, no hosting server, no mailing list, and no social following. How cool is that? Stick to the end of the video because you will be able to do it from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. So what do? We basically create videos, simple videos, but not like these videos, no camera, no microphones involved. We make simple 1 minute long or even less, shorter videos. Customers with credit cards who already purchased something and they're ready to purchase more. These people look for more information and they need help. When they need help, they ask questions on the internet. We answer them via our 1 minute videos. And for that, we use my AI, artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So Epic allows us to make videos without camera, without microphone, without recording ourselves, without writing scripts. So basically, Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence and then turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic makes videos using image, texts, and links. How cool is that? Epic makes bite-sized videos of any size and save it in projects and then compile them into any longer size videos just to answer customers' questions. Then we publish them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and they send us traffic, customers to our videos. And then in the videos, we ask them, hey, if you need more, go ahead, click our link in the description or in the first comment or in the bio, and you get more. They click. These are the clicks that generate all these commissions and sales. Sounds easy? It is. It gets better using Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Now, before I show you step by step how you can do it on day-to-day basis, just like us, just like our affiliates, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people just like you who are looking to learn how to make money online in the next 10 years. And we can only achieve this goal with your help. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email, WhatsApp, Telegram contacts, and everyone you know. They will love the content, they will love you for sharing, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And you will support our noble mission of helping others. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So go ahead, do all these things, and let's move on to the money. Let me give you an example. I love coffee, and I have one of the very expensive DeLonghi coffee machines. And because I have coffee machines, I regularly drink coffee. And for that, to keep my coffee hot for a long time, I have this auto heating mug, which is like $200 or $300. And I regularly buy coffee beans, just like all these people who left 4.6 out of 5 ratings and 24,000 feedbacks. And I can guarantee you that's 10% of the total sales of this item. Who bought them? The owners of coffee machines. The people who love coffee, and they have a lot of questions. Now, one of the problem coffee machine owners face is descaling, and for that they have to buy descaling agents. And look at this, 84,000 feedbacks from customers. If you have noticed, I have already purchased this 3 times in the past. And there is another bundle of multiple bottles. I purchased that even more times. And I think I used one bottle in 2 months. So now you can imagine this $30 product is important to thousands of people continuously. Here comes the no selling method of attracting customers and making money. Instead of trying to sell anything to them, answer their queries about their problems like how to descale a coffee machine or queries about descaling coffee machine. So I looked for coffee machine descaling on YouTube using my phone. Look at what I found. When I scroll down, a little down, and a little down, I found this shorts feed. Can you see the number of views? 24,000 views. The second one 816 views, 14,000 views, and 3,400 views. The next one 16,000 views. These are the views I have been talking about, and these are the customers. All these customers love our content and they buy from our links and we generate commissions. This is the no selling method of making money online. So the summary of this system is find problems of the customers, solve their problems using epic 3 to 5 minutes of your times, and make 1 minute short videos. Because your content is helpful, customers will love your content, they will love you, they will follow you, you will build trust and authority. And inside your video, ask your viewers to click your links in the description, in the first comment, and in the bios if they want to buy some. They will click, they will buy, and you will make money. Super simple. No selling method of making 245,000. That's exactly what we do, our affiliates do, and you can do it too. And it's open for everyone from any country, any experience level, without website, without any resources, without ever selling. So go ahead, grab Epic from the link in the description and start today. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted text whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Now, did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And our goal is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the same as you. But we need your help to achieve that number. All we need from you is a hit on the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. This way you help us, help others, and you help others learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money, and you will be able to make money too. Go ahead, do it. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.